over at Social Web Pros. I'm optimizing your Google My Business right now, and I'm going to be putting in the last product. I just wanted to share how it's done so you can have your staff do it. I added a couple of categories. I added CBD weight loss capsules, or actually CBD weight loss products. That's the category, and then you can add more products if you have others. You can just go into your GMB and go to products, and then I've got, like I said, I've got this category done. I got this one done, topical CBD creams and salves. Um, I entered one product just to give you guys an example, and then they can just keep going off the sales price. So basically, right now I'm doing edibles, and I'm going to add it as a category. Um, so you click here and you create a new category, and then you enter the category here. Uh, oh, there you go. It was already there. My computer just had a little froze. Okay, and once you establish the category, then you can start entering the products. And so all I'm doing is I'm gonna go here, uh, sugar-free gummy bears. I'm gonna look for sugar-free gummy bears on your website. I'm gonna pause. Found them, so now all I'm gonna do is copy the info. So I'm gonna go to description and product name right there. Then I'm gonna go to the description. I'm gonna also carry that over. And put it right here in the product description. And I'm going to look at the price. Price is $36.99. And then I'm going to do a button here, uh, order online, and then I'm going to just copy this URL here of the product and put it here. And just kind of look at it real quick. Oh, I got to do a photo. I uploaded your photo. I uploaded a few photos already, and CBD, oops, CBD bears. Yeah, it takes about maybe 2 or 3 minutes to do each one. So, anyways, I think let's see here. That's it. That's it. That's it. You can only have 1,000 characters here, so you'll be limited to the description. Okay, and then save it. And so now here you have edibles as a category. Okay, and then you can just create categories the way I showed you. So you have all these categories, and you just need to build your free advertising on GMB, and it helps tremendously with your SEO, because you're being mentioned with your sub pages, these sub pages of the product. Your website's here, and you got your sub pages, so it's just huge in terms of SEO and ranking. And so let me just finish this, and then I'll show you what it looks like live. I'll pause this for now. About Google My Business is that it allows you to update, like, you had a message here about you being open during the shutdown, I think. Let me see if I can find it. And yeah, here you are. Um, so just copy that, and then we'll just go boom. Okay, and you can add a button, call now, and that they'll call there. And it's just, again, more posts, more things that are out there for to promote your business free. And then updates are really nice when you do an update and offers. If you have a sale, you have a special, just click here, add a photo of a product, title it, you know, whatever discount it is, and then you have other options here. You can do a coupon code, you know, terms of the offer and the details of the offer. So you can also promote product here, which is a great idea because again, you get free advertising. An update also is also great. You know, you have these various buttons to sign up. You can have a, you know, sign up for your newsletter, whatever, you know. So these are also really good to do. So posts, Google loves posts. And let me see if I can create one. Let me think about one for you guys and show you how it's done. I did an update on the post, and this is what it looks like. This is you get to preview it, right? And so what I did is I copied your information on the home page, which was that you were this right here. We're open, so I just pasted and I copied that, and here we're open. And then I linked the product website here. It says below your menu. So here's the menus right here. I linked that. So anyway, this is how I did it. Here I added the online order button, and then I linked your product menu here, and I attached the photo. Okay, and so this is what it looks like. It allows you to preview it. Okay, and so then I'm going to publish it. And so now this is your first post. Okay, and you just keep posting things. The more you do, the better you rank. Let me see what it looks like live. Okay, here you are. Here it is, live. Okay, and then this is the one that we did about the your store being exempt from closing. So since we're here, I might as well show you. So we saw the live post, and then these are the products that I uploaded for you in the categories. So they're live now here in your store online. You can view them all. Let's get your phone number. Let's get your products. Okay, so we just need to have your staff, or I'll do it for you. I can add it for you, but we can talk about how I can give you a price on that. So like so it's done properly. As you see, it's already showing up, and here are the posts that we did. Okay, so let me pause this and then get back to optimizing it. It looks pretty complete. You got the I would add other areas here near Orange County, just so you rank. Well, you have Orange County, but it lacks cities, so we'll add Orange, California, Anaheim. I'm gonna pause this and add a few more. See, Orange County, Orange, California, Anaheim, Irvine. You know, so I just added a few cities to help rank in those cities specifically if somebody's looking for those. So you have your hours, good, your phone number, and the type of store looks pretty good. And so more work to do. Again, would be the I added some more verbiage here on the description, but more additional products because you have that ability, and then reviews. So as as time goes by, you want to do more posts, and then you want to do add more products. This is definitely, you have to get more products on there. All of your products should be on here, and then do reviews. You only have one review, so you need to get more reviews, and you know that comes with time as your clients get to know you. I know you just opened up. Okay, and so this is the first part of this, but obviously there's more work to be done, and I can manage this for you, um, and I can, you know, take care of this for you if you don't have someone that knows how to do this, and we can talk about that down the road. Alrighty, thank you.